So I'm on my way to an open house in Victoria Lakes on the north side of Jacksonville. I decided I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me. So yeah, stay tuned. So I made it to my open house. The first thing I'm going to do, I've already unlocked the house. I obtained the lock or the key through the super lock box, which is fairly easy to use. It's those other lock boxes I absolutely hate. They're so annoying and can be very cringy at times. But we need to turn on all the lights. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is turn on all of the lights. Sometimes they don't turn on, but whatever. I mean, we're here now, so. God, it's a lot of house to cover. We have a 2-story, 5-bedroom house, and I will take you guys through the tour shortly, but it's very beautiful. You're not gonna want to miss this, so stay tuned. So now what I'm doing is I have my paperwork that I'm going to sit out. Normally I have a cute little what do you call those things? I can't talk right now. Oh my gosh. Gotta have business cards, so make sure you have business cards. Set those out. Set out a few pens. Well, probably just need one, because I don't need nobody trying to steal my pens. So I'm gonna do that, and that's really all you need. If you want to be super extra and have snacks and all that, I'm not doing that. I've been a realtor for 3 years now. People don't eat the snacks. They do not eat the snacks. It's not an incentive to come. Like, so knock yourself out if you want to do that, but I'm not doing that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a formal tour of the home. So just as soon as you walk in, mind you, this house is 3,774 square feet. So we're gonna tour the first floor. Built in 2006. Laundry room. This is 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. 3 full bathrooms, might I add. All right, and this is the garage right here. Take you guys upstairs. Upstairs is really nice. I'm getting my steps in. I'll definitely tell you that. So this is the loft area. Another bedroom right here. Another bathroom. Bedrooms 3 and 4. And the primary bedroom is a treat, so I wanted to save that for last. So this is the primary bedroom. There's 2 closets. It's the first closet, master bathroom. Toilet, walk-in shower, garden tub, his and hers, another walk-in closet,